Nyaya yakora moto manje ndadzoka futi muri Zimbabwe ndine nyaya iri kubudiswa panapa nelawyer raBelamine Chatunga Mugabe, defense lawyer iri anonzi Sinehlala Mukuni. So iye nyaya dzake manje dzine chekuita nekungonangana nevanhu kuti imimi imwe yamuri kuzobuda muchitaura pane zvinhu zvanhu vari kuzongotaurawo zvinhu vasiri kunzwisisa zviri kuitika. But you know it's always good pese panoitika nyaya panozibva kutongwa munhu kungonzwa from the lawyer. Zvinhu zvakangonaka. So now Munguni has provided clarity on the guilt pleas entered into by Belamine Chatunga Mugabe and his co-accused Tobias Matonodze in the shooting case involving Sifo Mahlangu. Speaking to the media outside the Alexandra Magistrate Courts in Johannesburg on Friday 17 April, Munguni confirmed the defense had initially entered into plea negotiations with the state under a section 105A agreement, but those discussions collapsed at the 11th hour. To avoid delaying the matter, we proceed with a plea in terms of Section 112 of the Criminal Procedure Act, he said. Matonodze has pleaded guilty to attempted murder, admitting to shooting Mahlangu along with several other charges. Munguni dismissed claims circulating online that his client was taking the fall for more charges. That's a very ludicrous statement. The accused are at liberty to plea freely and voluntarily. That kind of thinking is purely sensationalism, he said. On the issue of compensation to the victim, Munguni said he could not disclose details at this stage. He also confirmed that the defense was not yet consulted with the accused about revealing the whereabouts of the firearm used in the shooting. It was raised at the 11th hour. We still need to take instructions from our clients, he said. Despite concern raised in court that the accused showed no remorse by not assisting the police in locating the weapon, Munguni said the defense is not worried. The evidence of the investigating officer is not complete. We still present our vision, he said. He added that both accused are taking the matter seriously and prepared to abide by the court's decision. We are here to serve justice. There is no rush to conclude the matter. Saka nyaya yacho ndopeke bvangonza aiwa nyaya yacho tinosangana musi wa 24 April. Saka zvimwe zvese zvimuri Zimbabwe musanyanya kuvhunduka and kuna vanhu vanga vari kubvunza questions akasiyana siyana and there is this clear explanation yandiri kusangana nayo panapa. Pano vanga vari kubvunza kuti what will happen because mukomana handipfuta enda kubuda here saka hapanenge pasina nyaya. Ndovaziva maloya wepasocial media vandangobudikira vachiti because inini ndoziva law ndozodai so vakomana garai pasi. Pane pango pacho pekuti hazvinyanya kumeka sense. But let me take you panapa tionesane kuti zvinofamba sei pane nyaya inenge yashayikwa saka nyaya zvinozofamba sei. Right, if someone is shot and the firearm is hidden, investigators can still build a case using multiple strands of evidence. Baliks can link a bullet or cartridge case to a specific firearm if it is later recovered or show consistency with a type of weapon. Gunshot residue may be found on a suspect's hand or clothing shortly after the incident. Forensic work at the scene can recover fingerprints, DNA, blood patterns, and trajectory information to reconstruct what happened. Medical evidence from the victim can also indicate distance, angle, and type of ammunition used. Police will also rely heavily on circumstantial evidence, CCTV footage, phone location data, witness statements, and digital records such as message or social media activities to place where suspect the scene and establish motive or intent incidents. A financial record, prior threats, and behavior before and after incidents can strengthen the case. Even without the weapon, a combination of forensic digital and witness evidence can be enough for a charge and conviction. If it is proved the case beyond the reasonable doubt, people are murdered and the firearms are thrown into the sea or rivers, yet the killers are still convicted. A weapon strengthens a case, but it is not the case. Courts convicts or evidence, and that evidence can come from forensic witness, digital trials, and the chain of events that point to one person's beyond reasonable doubt. Let me explain it in a different way. Using an example, someone once used, if your husband or wife is cheating on you, you do not need to see the condom that was used to know that they are cheating or go to the court and get a divorce. You can rely on text messages, suspicious call patterns, hotel bookings, location, data, unexplained receipts, lipstick on a shirt, perfume that is not yours, photographs, CCTV footage, and even witness accounts. It is the same principle. You build a case from consistent corroborating evidence that points in one direction. You do not need the physical item at the center of the act. If everything else proves what happened beyond reasonable doubt, I just say kuti pane chimwe chamuchadera, I think inenge yatojekeserwa. Saka nyaya vanhu vanga vari kutaura vachizvita malawyer pasocial media vati kokawanda maticha epakeyboard epaindaneti ukuti ukangoona pakadaiso panenge pangobhaizika uri kuona apa uri kutaka kukanganisa apa wadi nevamwe vanenge kuti vanozvita vakaita law aiwa apa zvisiri izvo by law zvinozodai so inini chandozana chekuti ma-real lawyers they don't have time for nonsense. The likes of analavhu mumadhuku aya vana nguva yekuswera vachitera vachikomenta nonsense pasi pataura nevanhu vanongomirira kumabasa kwavo ndiko vanenge vachitoita lawyer hwacho. Pavanongonzwawo nyaya dzichitaurwa vanongouya vangoteererawo vachinzwa kuti okay zviri kunzi kudii zvotopera zvakadaro zvekuzoti hanzi but apa by law zvaifanira kunge zvidai so but totozwa ndana chamangwinya velaw but they don't comment mune nyaya dzimwe dzese vanongomirira. So kune vanenge vachida kuningirikina I think munenge matopindurika nekubatsirika ipapapa. I don't want to waste much of your time. Nyaya iyi matoinzwa ndo mamirira yakaita iko zvine so far so good pazvibodzwa ameno munokwanisa kuisa zvingani papa.